If you are a beginner and are struggling with how to get that perfect crisp foxy eye, then this tutorial is just what you're looking for. It doesn't require any brushes or advanced blending skills. All you need is a black eyeshadow or a gel liner or a liner or a kajal and your fingers. So if you're wondering how will you achieve this look with such limited tools, then let's get started.
I'm starting out by priming my lids with the Pack Takeover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude, and I'm setting it with new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder. To get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape.
For demonstration purposes, I'll be using the Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics. I'm first dipping my pinky finger in this black eyeshadow and I'll slide the finger across the tape and start pushing the eyeshadow towards the middle of my lid. It's not necessary to use a black eyeshadow for this. If you want, you can always use a gel liner or a black liner or a kajal. I'm not worrying too much about being precise as the tape is gonna take care of those fallouts and sharp edges. Once I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'll take off the tape and you can see that the tape has taken care about those edges. I'm further cleaning up the edges using my Pack Takeover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand. To fill in my waterline, I'll be using the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. I'll be very quickly cleaning up underneath my eye using a concealer. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'll be dipping into this pale gold shade with my flat sharp shader brush. To finish up, I'll be curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara, and the mascara that I'll be using is the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal. And here is the finished look. So if you enjoyed this video and happen to learn something, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. And if you want to watch more hacks like these, then do let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to create some for you guys. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.